friends, welcome to the Tech channel. So friends, today I will talk about the MSI Optix G273 27-inch IPS gaming LCD. So friend, MSI has unveiled the 27-inch IPS semi-liquid crystal panel Optix G273, which is G-Sync compatible. And friend, the reaction time is 1 millisecond and the refresh rate is 165 Hz. And it has the night vision mode that increases sight in low light situation. It also incorporates anti-flicker and blue light cut eye care features that help to alleviate eye strain introduced to prolonged gameplay. And friend, full HD resolution, 99% sRGB color gamut coverage, 94% DCI P3 coverage, 178-degree horizontal or vertical viewing angle, 300 cadmium per meter square brightness, 1000 jam1 contrast ratio, and roughly 1677 display colors are the primary specification. And friend, all of the hues HDMI 1.4b into 2 display port 1.2a into 1 headphone output into 1 are the interface. And friend, the tilt of the stand may be adjusted from -5 to 20 degrees. And friend, the VESA mounter has a pitch of 100 into 100 mm. And friend, the external measurements are 614.9 mm in width, 228.38 mm in depth, and 444.6 mm in height, and it weighs about 4.5 kg. And friend, the price is $250 USD. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.